guys, it's Fidelemichelle. I know I haven't posted a video in 3 months. My first and only video was 3 months ago, I know. And yeah, I was like, let me do it today. I filmed this look for you today. It's a detailed smoky fall look. If you like this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, you guys, so right now we're going straight into some witch hazel to clean my face and help with these dark spots that I have from trying to pop these bumps. Okay, and I'm going on that with a clean napkin. And if you know me, you know I keep my lips moisturized. So I have some Vaseline to moisten my lips before I put this drying lipstick on. Okay, so right now what I'm going into, I'm using eyeliner to fill in my brows because my brows are super dark. This is the 12-hour Infallible, the super slim liquid eyeliner. I'm just going over my brows slightly. My brows are super dark already, as you can tell, but I just want to give them a little bit more definition, so I'm going over them with this eyeliner. And then after that, I do that, I'm going with my spoolie and I'm just brushing some of this eyeliner out of my brows. I don't want it to be super harsh in certain places, so I'm just brushing it out. And right now what I'm going in with is an eyeliner brush. I'm getting a flat eyeliner brush and I'm getting Maybelline's Cafe Fit Me Concealer. The color is 30 Cafe, and I'm just placing that on the eyeliner brush, and I'm basically tracing the outside of my brows. I'm tracing under and on the top, and I'm going into that cut. Yes, that slash is in there on purpose. Okay, so now what I'm going into is my beauty blender. Okay, don't get on me. I know my brushes are dirty. I have to wash them. I might wash them tonight. We'll see. But I'm going in my beauty blender and I'm just blending out the top of my eyebrows. I'm not blending out the bottom of my eyebrows. And on my lid, I'm putting LA Girl Concealer in Chestnut. And I'm going to blend that out with my middle finger. I just feel like I get better coverage with my middle finger. You know, your fingers are here for a reason. Why not use them? Boom, we are up close and personal. Okay, so I am taking a blending brush, a crease blending brush, and I am putting MAC's Velvet eyeshadow on the blending brush. And we're going to start in the very outer corner, and we're going to go in circular motion. Then I'm going to take that and I'm bring that more into the inner corner. And I'm just swipe it back and forth and back and forth. But also I'm going to do circular motions to build up the eyeshadow. So as you guys know, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So we're going on the other side and we're going circular motions and we're bringing the circular motion on the inner corner of the eye. Then we're going to take that same brush that we used for our eyebrows. And we're going to take that brush and use Chestnut Concealer from LA Girl. And we're just going to carve out the inner crease. We're going to carve out the inner crease and make a base for the shadow that's going to go there. Right now, I'm going to get a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go into the BH Pro Studio eyeshadow palette. The palette does not have names. It did have names on like they put like a little thin sheet of paper on top of it, but when I got it, but I lost that like a long time ago. So I'm not sure what this color is, but it is kind of gold. It's not exactly gold though. It's like a lighter gold. And mind you, all my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. I love these brushes and they were super cheap. I think I got all of them. I actually think I got all of these on sale. Okay, so right now I'm taking that same fluffy crease brush and I'm trying to marry both of these colors together. You don't want a line of demarcation. You want everything blended smoothly together. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, right now what I have on that brush is some airspun powder and some Fit Me loose powder by Maybelline. The Fit Me is 40 dark, and I'm just putting that around my nose and in my smile lines because I get really oily, and when I start smiling, it just starts creasing. So I'm setting my face before I put my foundation on. Okay, so I'm using my Holy Grail foundation. If you know me and you ask me what kind of foundation I use, you already know what I'm gonna say is Fit Me Mocha by Maybelline. This is the only foundation I use. I have never tried another foundation after hearing about this one. Like, I have sensitive skin and this one just does me right. I know I will not get any breakouts and I know it will last all day. And then what I'm going with under the eyes is the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows. It is the Maybelline Fit Me in Cafe 30. And I'm just going to go under both eyes and I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my eyebrows. And literally, whenever I use concealer, I always tap it with my finger first. I feel like I get more coverage when I use my finger than when I use a beauty blender or brush. I feel like it takes off my concealer more than when I use my finger first. And I'm squinting my face like that because I do not want to get any creases. Like when I move, I get creases, and when I set it, I don't feel satisfied. So I make that face when I'm blending out. And what I have on that brush is the same thing I set my face with before. It is the Airspun powder mixed with the Fit Me in the color 40. And I'm just setting under my eyes, and I'm going to set my nose area and my smile lines. Now I'm going to dust off all that extra powder. We want to set it straight into our face. And then I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Pro Matted Palette. And this palette is what I use to contour. Yes, these are eyeshadows. I know. Get off of me. Get off of me. Everyone does not use the same things to do certain things. And I like the eyeshadow palette better. So I'm just going to pinch my brush and I'm going to follow my eyebrow. So the front of my eyebrow is what tells me how thin or how thick my nose contour needs to be. And the color I went in to contour my nose was called corduroy, and the color I'm going into to contour my cheekbones is called chocolate. Okay guys, so the lashes that I've been wearing recently are the Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. And y'all see that glue? Yes, that is that track quick weave glue. If you don't know about it, now you know. This is what black women use to do their quick weaves. And I'm putting it on the back of an eyeshadow brush. I'm dipping my eyeshadow brush into that quick weave glue and I'm just scraping it along the eyelash. I get better control of how much glue I put on my lashes this way. And I'm just taking some e.l.f. tweezers and I'm putting as close to my lash line as possible. Okay, so what I set my face with is this NYX Matte Finish Spray, and I just set that on. I do 2 squirts. And it just makes my highlighter pop because literally right after I spray my face, I put my highlighter on, and my highlighter is from Becca Cosmetics. The color is Topaz. Girl, if you have not heard about this highlighter, get into it because this highlighter pop in, okay? Yes, y'all need to cop y'all some. It costs about $35 at Ulta, and I've had mine for like 2 years, okay? Do you see that reaction? Girl. Okay, so now time for the lips. I do not wear lipstick, lip gloss, nothing. I go for that good old Vaseline in a tube and I keep it pushing. But I'm trying to try new things and I just felt like it would just be right if I use this lip gloss for this look. So what I'm going in with now, this is by MAC. It's called Unformally Fabulous. This is their MAC lips. This is their matted lipstick. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and that color is in Potion. And I just put a little bit of gloss on. I didn't want my lips to be too glossy, so I just dabbed a little bit in the middle. I personally don't think there's a certain step you have to do everything in. I just do everything as I remember. So what I'm going in with lastly is this Lash Sensational by Maybelline. As you can tell, I love Maybelline because most of my products are from there. And I'm just going to coat a little bit of this on my natural lashes so they will blend in with my Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.